Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. All about the winds today. High wind warning in effect until 7 o'clock. We'll have widespread wind gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour and isolated wind gusts up to 60, 65 miles an hour. Here are the peak wind gusts so far. Ann Arbor and Troy lead the way, topping 60 mile an hour wind gust. Ann Arbor, a 66 mile an hour wind gust. Separately in Ann Arbor, we had a 62 mile an hour wind gust. Troy at 61. But look at Ypsilanti, 58. Metro Airport and City Airport both at 58 mile an hour wind gust, and Pontiac as well. So the wind impact is in the high zone. There are power outages outside right now, and they'll continue to be down trees, blowing debris, a real mess for Metro Detroit. Now, the wet weather is up to the north. We'll look for lots of sunshine with a high near 51, but that high wind warning will dominate the forecast throughout the afternoon. The winds don't die down until after sunset. The wind warning expires at 7 o'clock tonight. Then the winds drop down. We're looking at a west wind 10 to 25 miles an hour tonight, and the winds continue to ease. Overnight, we'll see clouds build to the low near 28. Tomorrow, cooler day, low 40s with a chance for light snow during the late afternoon and evening hours. Another cold front comes in, and look at Friday, 33 degrees. Saturday, a high of just 30. Sunday, 32. A little bit of snow in the forecast on Monday. At least that's something to watch. But you can see we are windy today, then we transition back to more wintry weather through the weekend and beyond. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.